Remote Car Starter Reviews. A car starter is a perfect device to start and crank your car remotely. I mean, just imagine that you are getting ready for work on a cold winter morning and you know your car is cold as a refrigerator. Therefore, will it not be better if the temperature inside the car gets normal by the time you are about to leave for work? Similarly, on a hot summer day, will you not want your car to be cool as you sit inside it? If the answer is yes, then you will need a remote car starter. As there are so many different types of remote car starters available on the market, it is better if you go through the best remote car starter consumer reports to find the one that matches the requirements of your car. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top one. Number 5. Viper 2-Way Car Security with Remote Start System. This remote start system offers comprehensive security with a range of 1 mile. The unit features an LCD, where you can check priority icons. The display also has a text screen where you can check all the settings that you have chosen. The remote car starter comes with 5 buttons control, which offers 24 different functions on not 1 but 2 cars. If you want to buy a remote car starter with the slimmest display remote, then this is exactly the product you should buy. The security system is so responsive that it immediately notifies you in case something goes wrong with your vehicle. You will hear the Revenger siren tones coming out of your vehicle in case of an issue. Number 4. ACDelco Remote Key Fob. If your original keyless entry remote has ceased to work, then you can get it replaced by this product, which is GM recommended replacement. The remote car starter features 4 buttons through which you can lock and unlock the car, open the trunk and activate the panic feature. With this remote comes a battery, which allows you to use the remote for a long period of time without any issue. The built-in battery also means that it won't run on the car's battery, which ensures its longevity as well. Number 3. Dorman 99162 Keyless Entry. With this keyless entry transmitter, you can get full remote access for certain vehicles. The unit features a patented programming module, which you can plug into the OBD2 port to program the new module to the current coding of your vehicle. The remote is designed to operate with factory systems on certain vehicles, but you will have to follow the exact programming steps. In this remote control, you will see 4 buttons for remote start, lock, unlock, and panic functions. You will have to select the make and model of your car in order to get the exact car starter for your vehicle, which may not be as easy as finding the best car wax. Number 2. Startx Remote Starter Kit for Toyota Evo Toy 6A. Check out this remote start kit, which features keyless entry, security interface, and lower power remote start. You will not find a better remote car starter than this on the market. The keyless start kit sports a powerful plug-and-play system that works perfectly with any Tacoma model from 2016 to 2019. You can set up this car starter without taking anybody's help, as there are 2 main wires, which you have to connect. Number 1. US Remote Car Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote G415. This keyless entry remote is compatible with a wide range of cars such as Cadillac Escalade SRX, GMC Acadia Yukon, Chevy Suburban Tahoe Traverse, Buick Enclave and Saturn Outlook from 2007 to 2014. The remote car starter is fully programmed, so you will have to get it programmed by a locksmith or your car dealer. This car starter features a complete electronic assembly, which is durable and easy to use. A battery is incorporated into the unit, which ensures long-lasting use.